Guys, good morning. This is our yummy baon suggestion for kids today, okay? So this is what I prepared today for Ate Shasha. Scrambled egg, bagong lutong kanin, kaunting grapes, tapos luncheon meat na dinip ko din yan sa scrambled egg. Ayun. And of course, huwag natin kakalimutan na magdala ng water ang ating mga kids. Okay? So, yan. Meron siyang water. So, medyo mainit pa yung rice. Bagong luto. Tatapang ko siya. Nakabukas lang to para sumingaw yung init. Para hindi siya magpanis. Okay, okay. Cover na ni Mama Shi. Sara na siya. Bukas lang siya. Makasingaw yung kanin. Maya, pwede na natin isa. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more baon suggestion for kids. Bye and God bless.